Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel The Guardian Sun. So finally the wait is over guys. From today we will be starting our coding journey. So for that we will be setting up virtual environment. First we will be getting to know what is this virtual environment. We will set up that virtual environment and install some packages, some libraries to build this chatbot. Okay. So first let's understand what is this virtual environment. See, in your laptop you may be building multiple, let's say, chatbot applications. Now, let's say it can be Instagram chatbot, let's say Instagram chatbot, can be Swiggy chatbot, let's say. Okay, now all these different applications, yeah, these are different applications, right? May all have these two chatbots may have different personalities, right? So may have different functionalities and thereby different versions of Python libraries, right? Right. So and there may be a possibility that a library may be needed in an Instagram chatbot, but that may not be needed in a Swiggy chatbot. That is also the case, right? There may be a library required in one chatbot application and may not required in other application. Getting so two things. First, in your laptop, you can maybe building multiple applications, chatbot application. For all those different applications, different libraries or different version of libraries is required. Getting first get this context. Second, so if you globally install the Python libraries, don't you think there will be a conflict? Why? Because a particular Python library or version may not be suitable for other application, right? So this is the problem. Getting so this is the problem. This is the problem. Getting now. What is the solution? The solution to this is creating virtual environment. Solution is creating virtual environment. So what is this virtual environment? Sir, this virtual environment is a kind of a private room that is for each application a different private room that will have the libraries or dependencies to run the application. So first what we need to do for creating the chatbot, we will be creating a virtual environment. Okay, and in that virtual environment, we will be installing the packages or the libraries needed to run the project. Getting? So this is the concept of virtual environment, right? Now, how to create virtual environment? Below is the command for creating a virtual environment. Okay, this is the command for Python -m virtual environment. That is Python create virtual environment. Okay, with the folder name virtual environment. If you see here, currently I am in at Gen AI series folder directory, right? So in this Gen AI series directory, you see in the chatbot going in chatbot, I have created a virtual environment. Like if I go to the chatbot setting, here I have created a virtual environment, right? In this directory I have created a virtual environment. You see what it all is, library, scripts and all. Okay, so this is the thing. I have already done that, right? So you can try using this command. Now, after creating the virtual environment, you need to activate the virtual environment. To activate the virtual environment, and the command for this is this. So the directory in which the virtual environment folder is there, like see where it is here in chatbot folder, right? It is in the chatbot folder. So go to that directory, see that I am currently in the chatbot directory, then run the below command. Okay, here directly see and type it down. Dot as environment. Same way you should also try by typing it by yourself. Okay, as wait command for activating the environment. Click for activate. Please be careful. Yesterday I was see before writing the code, I also need to do some practice, right? So see dot, what I did, I had not given this dot. Okay, dot means current directory to next. So because of this I was getting error. So please keep in mind dot. Okay, please, I will also add this in the description. You can directly do, or you can try to chat GPT, like how to create a virtual environment, how to activate the virtual environment, right? Path is already available for you. And then installing the package libraries to build our chatbot. What is the command for that? Pip install, like we need LangChain. We will using LangChain AWS, Photo3 and Python.env. I will be explaining each. What is the purpose of each? Okay, in the upcoming video. The way we will be using, I will be explaining. Okay, let's install it. Let's copy it down. Come here, paste it. So I have already installed in this. Okay, that's why it is coming as requirement specified. For you, it will take time. I did this because see, it will take some time. Okay, so that's why I did this as before. You can type it down and see it is taking out. And once done, you can verify by doing if paste and check if all the dependencies are installed. What you need to do check whether all the libraries installed or not. What you should do if getting. So this is the video. In this video, I wanted to inform you about what is virtual environment, how to create virtual environment, right? And how to activate the virtual environment. You need to activate the virtual environment once you have created, no, every time, like when you shut down your laptop, or again you will have to again come to that folder in which you have created the virtual environment, and you will have to reactivate it. Okay, and you will not be needing to again install that library. Okay, the libraries that we installed, no guys, will be stored in that virtual environment. Okay, so we don't need to again install this. So tomorrow when we come in this video, we'll be creating, like in tomorrow's video we'll be writing the code to connect LLMs, which are present as the Amazon Bedrock. In the Amazon Bedrock, foundation models are present, right, as we had discussed in the previous model. To how to connect to that, let's do that, we will see. Okay, and there we won't needing to again install the packages. Why? Because now we installed, we will just activate the virtual environment. We will just activate the virtual environment. That's all guys. Thank you very much. Keep coding, keep exploring. Badhiya insa.